Come back to subscribe, please. Today, we're diving deep into $BE, the DAOBASE token. This crypto coin aims to revolutionize Web3 incubation and funding, offering a unique proposition within the blockchain space. We'll explore how to potentially buy $BE, discuss its connections with MEXC Global, and speculate about possibilities with COINBASE, all while highlighting its integral role within the DAOBASE ecosystem. What exactly are $BE and DAOBASE? The $BE token serves as the governance token for the DAOBASE platform, empowering holders to vote on key proposals, fund promising projects, and potentially earn rewards. Some implementations may include a deflationary mechanism or staking rewards for added value. The DAOBASE platform itself is a decentralized autonomous organization focused on Web3 incubation, providing funding to innovative projects, and fostering a strong community. It aims to solve the challenges of early-stage funding and decentralized governance. T's break down the $BE tokenomics. It's crucial to understand aspects like the total number of tokens created and the distribution plan, including allocations for the team, advisors, community, and marketing, along with any vesting schedules. We'll also discuss the presence of any burning mechanisms designed to potentially reduce the token supply, and explore the utility of $BE, covering governance rights, staking rewards, access to exclusive features, and its potential uses within and outside the DAOBASE ecosystem. Let's consider $BE's relationship with the BNB Smart Chain, or BSC. BSC offers several benefits, including lower transaction fees and faster transaction speeds, making it an attractive choice. It's also compatible with popular wallets such as MetaMask and Trust Wallet. We'll share the $BE smart contract address on the BSC, emphasizing the importance of verifying the contract on BSC for security purposes. Plus, we'll provide a quick guide on how to add BSC to your MetaMask or other wallets. Thinking of buying $BE? We'll focus on MEXC Global as one avenue. MEXC is chosen for factors like liquidity, accessibility, and security. We'll walk you through a step-by-step guide, creating a MEXC Global account, completing KYC verification, depositing BNB or USDT, navigating to the $BE/BNB or $BE/USDT trading pair, placing a buy order, and confirming the transaction. We'll also cover essential aspects like trading fees, slippage tolerance, and general security tips to keep in mind. A $BE listing on COINBASE is speculative. It's worth considering. COINBASE has strict listing criteria, but a listing could significantly boost exposure and liquidity. We'll touch upon the potential path to a COINBASE listing, including community support, meeting regulatory requirements, and achieving a substantial market cap and trading volume. In the meantime, we'll also provide a list of alternative exchanges where $BE is currently available, such as PancakeSwap. T's recap the TGE, or Token Generation Event. This includes the date and time, the price of $BE during the event, and the platforms used. We'll also look at success metrics such as the amount of funds raised, community participation, and initial price performance. $BE community is a vital part of the DAOBASE ecosystem. You can connect through their Telegram group, Discord server, Twitter handle, and official website. We'll also discuss the roadmap and future plans for DAOBASE, including planned developments, upcoming features for $BE holders, and potential partnerships. Finally, we'll issue a call to action. Join the community, participate in governance, and support DAOBASE's mission. Conclusion: $BE and DAOBASE offer some potential benefits, including its role in the decentralized Web3 space. However, always remember to do your own research. And please remember, this is not financial advice. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Subscribe Please.